So Arduino is an open source physical computing platform. So what is open source? Open source means anything which can easily to study, easily to modify, and can be easily available, like Linux, Windows Phone, and Android phones. So types of Arduino boards: Arduino Uno, Arduino Decimilia, Arduino single-sided serial, Arduino Mega, Arduino Fio, Lilypad, and Arduino Nano. These all are the types of Arduino board. Why Arduino? Why we use Arduino? Because of it has USB connectivity. It has inbuilt bootloader, means you don't need to have any external programmer to load it. Features of Arduino: uh, it's a kind of mini motherboard, low in cost, and USB connectivity. As I have already told you, to program it you don't need to have any external programmer to load it. Arduino Uno overview: microcontroller which we are using on this board is Atmega 328. Operating voltage of this board is 5 volt. Input voltage is 6 to 20 volt. There are 14 pins, digital pins, on which we can digitally read and write value. Analog pins 6, means if you are going to read any analog sensor like temperature sensor and IR sensor, you can directly read the value from this port, and you can directly write the value on this port. DC current per input output pin is 40 milliampere, and DC current for 3.3 volt pin is 50 milliampere. Flash memory is 32 KB, SRAM is 2 KB. Operating speed is 16 to 20 megahertz. Port registers: there are 3 ports in Arduino Uno board: port B, port C, and port D. Port D having 8 to 13 pins, which all are digital pins. Port C having all the analog pins, and port D is having 0 to 7 pins, which all are also digital pins. Port D, which means you are mapping to port D, which is having 0 to 7 digital pins. DDRD, you are also directing to port D. Pin D means you are taking or reading pin D like port D. If you are using pin D operation, that means you are taking any input from pin D. You are reading any sensor value from pin D, port D. Port B register: this is same for port B register. If you are using DDR-B, then you are mapping to port B. If you are using pin B, then you are mapping to pin B. So let's you are interfacing any sensor with port B, then you are using pin B operation, then you are going to take value from port B. It is same for port C register. Port C is DDRC, the port C direction for read and write operation, and pin C for taking any value from pin C option. Thank you.